Okay, given an IJK notation, I hate that, so I'm going to rewrite this one. So R equals, that'll be 1, 4, 1 plus S lots of minus 1, 2, 2, and line B will be R equals 282 plus T lots of 135, and line C is, I'll put that in later. Show that they're skew. Well, first off, minus 1, 2, 2, the direction of line A is not a multiple of 1, 3, 5. The direction of line B, therefore, they're not parallel. And that's one of the things we need to show they're not skew, because if two lines are parallel, they're not skew. Okay, so they're skew. I've shown they're not parallel. I now need to show they don't intersect. So what I need to try and do is find out points where the x and y coordinates are the same and see if it matches a z one. So this bit here, I'm going to put it in red. So you see, this one here, x, y, z, will be a general point on this line. And it is 1 minus s is the x bit. The y bit is 4 plus 2s. And then from this one, the x bit is 2 plus t. So if they intersect, then what I can say is that from the top one, 1 minus s must equal from the bottom one, t plus 2. That's the x coordinates. And then I also need to work out the y bit, which is 4 plus 2s. 4 plus 2s has got to be the same as 8 plus 3t. 8 plus 3t. And if I've got that, well, I'm going to do it by elimination. If I double the top one, that'll give me 2 minus 2s equals 4 plus t. I'll write this one down again. I get 4 plus 2s equals 8 plus 3t. If I add those together, the s's will disappear, and I get 6 equals 12 plus 4t. And therefore, that's... yeah, made a mistake. Obvious mistake. I times it by 2, didn't times that by 2. That should be times by 2 there. That should be 5t. And so I'm going to get 5t equals negative 6. And so t equals minus 1.2. Seems unlikely, but we'll see. I need to find out what s is. So I'm going to put this one, that one there. I'm going to get 1 minus s. 1 minus s equals 2 plus t, and t is minus 1.6 or 1.2, so minus 1.2. Add s to both sides, and I'll get s from here equals 0.2. And both things. So I've got s 0.2, t is minus 1.2. Right, what do I get? So what I'm going to do is I'll put sub s equals 0.2 into a. And that will give me, my x coordinates will be 1 minus 0.2. The y coordinate will be 4 plus 2s, so that'll be 4 plus 0.4. And the z one will be 1 plus 2 lots 0.2 is 0.4. And so that one will equal 0.8, 4.4, and 1.4. Going to sub t equals minus 1.2 into b, and that will give me, the first one will be 2 plus 1t, which is that, so 2 minus 1.2. The second one will be 8 plus 3 lots of that, so it'll be minus 3.6. And the last one will be z equals 2 and plus 5 lots of that, so that'll be minus 6, and that equals 0.8, 4.4, and minus 4. And obviously the first two are the same, because they were going to be, because we made them the same. That's why we did it. We got the x coordinates the same and the y coordinates the same, but the z coordinate is different, and therefore lines don't intersect. as we said at the beginning, they're not parallel, therefore we've now shown them to be skew. And that's the first part done, and I'll do part 2 in a second.